Greetings. Welcome to my channel. Tag question for practice part 17. S.S.C Rajshahi Board 2020. You surely fail if you fail to plan. You surely fail if you fail to plan, don't you? A good plan scarcely let you fail. A good plan scarcely let you fail, does it? Great people could not nothing without a plan of action. Great people could not nothing without a plan of action, could they? Fortune also dare not fail a well-planned effort. Fortune also dare not fail a well-planned effort, dare it? So plan before you proceed, so plan before you proceed, won't you? Like, share and subscribe please. Learn with Jahangir Sir. Thanks for watching. Till today. Jahangir Alam, teacher, UCEP Bangladesh.